Namaste and welcome to another episode of Wellness Bites with Gauri. Hi, I'm Gauri Janarkar. I'm the founder of Ayurnutrition, an integrative and holistic wellness practice here in Dallas Fort Worth, where we offer Ayurveda, nutrition, and wellness. I am a classically trained Vaidya, an Ayurveda practitioner, a registered licensed dietitian, and a certified diabetes educator. So, in today's episode, we're going to talk about heart health, heart wellness. Today, this is the Valentine's month, so what better than to talk about wellness for the heart? So, today, I'm going to show you different foods which have, we're going to talk about different nutrients as well, which are considered beneficial for the heart. So, let me talk about and show you some of these key nutrients as well. Let's talk some of these foods that we have over here, and let's also discuss some of the nutrients which are key for heart health as well. The first food we have over here is the moong dal, and a moong dal is considered very easy to digest, one of the lightest foods as well, packed with a lot of plant-based protein. It has a lot of soluble fiber, also a lot of antioxidants. In fact, we find references for the moong dal in some of the ancient Ayurvedic treatises and books as well. We also have here is the green mung beans. Now, moong dal is made from the mung beans. A lot of times people, if they have difficulty digesting the green bean, then they can use the moong dal. Again, packed with a lot of antioxidants as well, a lot of soluble fiber, plant-based proteins. The next food I want to show you is the avocado. The avocado is a fruit but has a lot of heart-healthy fat. It's a rich source of the monounsaturated fats, and what we find in research is that people who consume more of the monounsaturated fats have lower risk for heart disease. Also, avocado is packed with a lot of antioxidants. It has phytoesterols, which may actually help lower cholesterol. It has anti-inflammatory properties, a lot of the B complex vitamins as well. The next food I want to talk about is the banana. The banana is a rich source of potassium. It also has presence of magnesium. Now, potassium actually is a key nutrient for the good functioning of the heart, and the presence of magnesium, we find that magnesium may actually help to get the blood pressure in check. The next food I want to talk about is our orange. Now, orange has, and it's considered a citrus fruit. It's considered a good source of vitamin C, has a lot of fiber as well. Now, let me take a moment to talk about the antioxidant connection and why antioxidants considered good for the health. Now, antioxidants, what they do. A lot of times the lifestyle, food, a lot of times stress can produce free radicals. What are these free radicals? Free radicals are these highly reactive chemical species which can damage our DNA and can damage the cell membrane. So the antioxidants, what they do, they actually will neutralize these free radicals so that they can't further damage the DNA or the cell membrane. So again, we know that our orange is a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. It also has your magnesium, and again, research shows that the diet which has presence of magnesium may actually help to bring the blood pressure in check. So again, just I talked about some of these key nutrients and also some of the foods that are essential for our heart benefit and heart health as well. We just saw some of these food that I talked about and also explained some of the key nutrients in these foods and how they are beneficial for the heart health as well. So remember that the antioxidants, these foods are packed with antioxidants, and antioxidants actually help neutralize those free radicals which can further damage our DNA and our cell membrane. And that's why we want to make sure that our food always has some of these key nutrients, some of these antioxidants as well. So I hope that what we talked about and the different foods I showed was beneficial. We talked a lot about heart health and heart wellness as well. So let me take you into the kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful three bean recipe, which is packed with plant-based protein. It has a lot of fiber, different spices. Now don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also are available on Facebook as well. So follow me into the kitchen to see how to make this wonderful three bean recipe.